Yes, my better people now. Now see they been a Jamaica electronics don't come again. This one now polystar 7 kg automatic front loader. Here now be the detergent box. As they see now, let us check the motor. Big motor. They see here now the pipe. They see the accessory full and come. This is the manual. They see and they come with installation accessories. So they see the screw. This is silver color. Let's go to the white color 7 kg also. This motor are non-inverter. This is the big motor. You see this detergent box. This is non-inverter. Let's go. More see the logo of them. They see this one are now inverters. They see they play the show 7 kg big motor. If you get all these things from my store by contacting me or DM me, quality is our pride. We give you the best quality, silver, white, and silver. Anyone you want. Thank you very much. God bless you.